Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this website called xTiles. xTiles is a visual workspace. Think of it as a giant digital whiteboard. You use tiles to organize your stuff. You can create notes, tasks, and project, drag and drop them where you want. It's easy to see everything at once. You can work with others. Collaboration is simple. Share your xTiles with your teams. Everyone sees the same things at the same time. You can use templates to start quick. There is no need to build everything from scratch. With the template, you can simply make something real nice. xTiles has a mobile app. You can use it on your phone or tablet. The mobile app lets you see your work anywhere, anyhow. So talking about the best features of this platform, xTile has some unique features. This helps you organize your work and ideas, and let's look at some of the best key features from this platform. So one of the best key features on this platform is the most popular template. It also comes with a project planner and also comes with a marketing agency, which is part of the plan and which is part of the key features, and also student workspace together with the freelancers dashboard. So those are these best top features from this platform that makes it super cool. So talking about the pricing plan, here's a little breakdown of the pricing plan. They have the free trial, which costs nothing. So it comes with a starter with $5.7 per month, and they also come with a plus plan, and that's for the plan. So they have about 3 plans, which is the free trial plan, the starter plan, and the plus plan, and each plan has a specific key features for each plan. So if you want more information about this, you can simply get back to the website, check the link to this website in the video, so you can access this, the price plan. Then you can decide which of these can work for your business. And talking about the good side, understanding the good and the bad help you decide. So I'm going to explore the strength and the weakness of this platform. So talking about the good side of this, it comes a virtual organization which is a powerful thing. So it also comes with a real-time collaboration and the flexible template used to save time. It also comes with an integration boost workflow. Talking about the downside, it comes with an advanced features which can be a paid plan, and also the learning curve for new users can take a long time, and the mobile app functionalities is limited. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this website.